Hey guys, what's up? It's Chris here with Prestige Auto. Today we've got this 04 Cavalier in the garage. We're going to be changing out the blower motor resistor. So come here and I'll show you guys what that does. Alright, so we're here in the car. And what the blower motor resistor does is when you got your air conditioner on and your setting only works on, say, high. So 3 don't work, 2, 1. None of them work except for high. I've seen it where sometimes only the low and only the high will work, but so that part is located usually back behind the glove box or under there somewhere, and it's pretty easy to change out. It's attached to the blower motor, so you'll just find that in there, and the part looks like this. It's got a couple screws in it. You'll slide it out, slide in the new one. So we'll find out where this one's at, and I'll show you guys how to change that thing out, so that way it'll be working on all settings. Let's get our tools. Okay guys, we're going to go down here, and I found the blower motor. It's right here. You've got your glove box. It's right under there. This box right here, this round thing, it's usually a circle. You'll find this group of wires and follow it in. It feels like this one's in the back. So we may take out a couple screws here and just drop the motor out so that we can get to the stuff a lot easier. We'll see how it goes. We'll grab some tools. It looks like it's gonna be a Phillips head, a couple Phillips heads, and there it is in the back there. You can see that white thing with that purple and orange going into it. That's our resistor. We may not have to take that down. We'll see. I'm gonna get in there and look around. Alright guys, so it was easier just to take out the blower motor. There were 3 screws in it. You can see, let's see, let me get this flashlight set up better. You can see there was one there, there, and over there. Just take those 3 out, and then it just drops out the bottom. Now you can see right in here is a little plug, and we'll unplug that. And then we'll take, there's 2 screws, one there and one there. We'll drop those down. We'll pull that out and slide in the new one. So let's get that unplugged. Get that unplugged and pull that out. Alright guys, so we got that unplugged, and I've got a 6mm getting this first screw out. Looks like the back one back there might be kind of tough. We might have to cut this rubber back there and fold down a little piece just so we can get a socket on that screw. But we'll see. We'll try to do it without cutting it first. Alright, so we got this one coming out. You can see here, I did cut it a little bit. I ran the razor blade up and over a little bit and just bent it so that we can get a socket in there. I was wrong. It was not a 6mm. It was a 7/32. 7/32. Little bitty small socket. But got that out. We're going to slide this one out now. And here is the old resistor. Looks dirty and rough, cracked, rusted. So here's the new one from AutoZone. I think it was about $20, maybe $25, something like that. So we're gonna put this one in there, put those two screws back in, plug it in, get that blower motor screwed back in, and then we'll check it and make sure that fixed our issue. Alright guys, we got her all put back together. Pretty easy job. Just locate your blower motor box, take off the blower motor, the plug right behind it, pull out that resistor, put it all back together. Let's fire it up and see if it's going to work. There's Kathy. Okay, let's hop in here, fire her up. Okay. It's working. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're having that issue and yours is only working on one setting, then that's probably your problem. I've had to fix many of those. $25 part, pretty easy to get to, easy to fix. So thanks for watching the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.